Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have very simple and very fast Italian recipe for you. Pear and chocolate chips. I'm a big fan of loaf cake, easy to slice and perfect served with a cup of coffee in the morning. So let's see the ingredients first. We are going to need eggs, sugar, yogurt, sunflower oil, chocolate chips, 1 pear, and that's it. You'll find all the ingredients in the info box down below. I'll make a tiny cake in an 18 cm form, so let's get started. First of all, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Cream together eggs and sugar. Then add the yogurt, combine a little bit, and add the sunflower oil. Add the flour and 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. We are going to put the baking powder at the end, last ingredient. Now just combine with imperfect cream. I prefer to try different recipes for my family for breakfast and prepare them by myself. Very healthy recipes and very tasty. The chocolate chips is optional, but I want to make this cake as rich as I can. And the same for the cinnamon. You can use it if you like it. Otherwise, it's not necessary for this recipe. Now slice the pear very thin. You can use apple instead of the pear, of course. Oh, that's perfect! Now our cake is ready and just put it into the oven. Let it cool completely and that's all. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I will meet you on the next video.